Have you ever just sat there, staring at a completely blank screen? Your cursor is just blinking, right? Almost taunting you. Research actually shows that writers spend over 40% of their time just staring at the screen, trying to find that perfect first word. We all know that visceral frustration of writer's block, or the absolute agony of spending countless hours editing, feeling like you're literally never going to cross the finish line on a project. It's exhausting.
Well, welcome to our explainer on the best AI tools for writers and authors in 2026. I'm absolutely thrilled to guide you through this today, because let me tell you, in 2026, AI has evolved into the ultimate writing partner. Now, to be clear, this isn't about letting a machine do the work for you. No way. It's about leveraging some seriously incredible tools to exponentially increase your output, break through those creative walls, and produce higher quality work faster and smarter than ever before.
Okay, let's dive into this. We all know the pre-2026 struggle. You know the one: writer's block, endless editing loops, and agonizingly slow output. But the 2026 reality? It's entirely different. We are talking about AI co-writing, instant prompts, and vastly faster output. The shift here is profound. AI doesn't replace writers, it empowers them. It removes all that friction from your process, so your pure creativity can really take the spotlight. So, here's our roadmap for the explainer today. We're going to take you on a complete writer's journey, from a totally blank page to global publication. We'll cover 1. The AI writing revolution, 2. Brainstorming and deep research, 3. Drafting and character building, 4. Editing and style refinement, 5. Formatting and global publishing, and finally, 6. The pro writer workflow.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the AI writing revolution.
At the very heart of this revolution is the concept of the AI Copilot. This is a collaborative digital partner that empowers you to create faster and better, rather than replacing your human creativity. Think of it like having an incredibly well-read, lightning-fast assistant sitting right next to you, ready to help execute your vision. The whole point is enhancing your unique voice, definitely not silencing it.
Moving right along to Section 2, brainstorming and deep research.
When it comes to the spark of an idea, tools like Claude 4, Grok, and Pseudo-Write allow you to untangle complex story arcs instantly. It's like magic. And for deep research, you can use tools like Perplexity or Notebook LM to digest hundreds of pages of historical documents in literally seconds. It ensures your world building is practically flawless without you having to spend weeks lost in the library. But hey, what happens when you inevitably hit a wall? Because we all do. Well, tools like Grok in creative mode or Novel AI are absolute lifesavers. It's kind of like having a brilliant brainstorming partner who never, ever needs coffee. They're ready to smash right through that block with instant prompts, fresh continuations, and totally new angles so you can just keep moving.
Next up is Section 3, drafting and character building.
Now, what's really interesting here is what happens when we move to full draft writing. Claude projects and ChatGPT Canvas allow you to collaboratively co-write entire chapters. And honestly, even more fascinating is character development. With Character.ai, you can actually simulate a live chat with your protagonist or literally interview your villain to find out their true motives. You can figure out exactly how they would organically react to a plot twist in real time.
Let's shift gears to Section 4, editing and style refinement.
Because the magic often happens in the rewrite, right? For catching errors and improving clarity, your baseline is going to be heavy-duty proofreading tools like Grammarly, AI, and Pro Writing Aid. But where things get truly wild is style imitation. You can actually train custom GPTs or use Claude to perfectly mimic your own unique cadence and voice. You can even have them imitate famous authors just as a creative exercise for your own practice.
Section 5 brings us to formatting and global publishing.
Getting your book perfectly formatted used to take days of agonizing work, but Reedsy and Vellum automate outlines and layouts completely effortlessly. Now, if you're a blogger or content creator publishing online, Surfer SEO ensures your articles actually rank higher on search engines. And if you want to take your work global, pair DeepL for instant, highly nuanced translation with 11 Labs for incredibly realistic audio narration. It's the whole shebang.
Finally, we have Section 6, the pro writer workflow.
To actually make all of this work for you without feeling totally overwhelmed, you want to start with a mostly free beginner tool stack just to get the hang of it. From there, establish a daily AI co-writing routine so it really becomes a habit. But above all, actively protect your unique voice. Remember, the AI is there to support your creative soul, not replace it. But before you hit publish, you absolutely need to keep these guardrails in mind. Copyright rules around AI are constantly shifting, so you always need to review platform guidelines. And, more importantly, never let the AI do all the thinking for you. Over-reliance on these tools will eventually strip the originality completely out of your work. Use them to assist, brainstorm, and refine, but do not replace your own critical thought process.
So, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought to chew on. Will AI write your next chapter, or will you? Which tool are you going to try first? The truth is, AI hasn't replaced writers, it's empowered them. Writers who master these tools are going to publish more, earn more, and reach much wider audiences. I highly encourage you to explore these tools further and see how they can transform your own writing journey. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy writing.